Welcome back to Web Design Psychology, the place where we handle issues concerning the tacts, the arts, and the acts of web design. In this video, like I promised, we're going to be handling issues concerning the installation of your theme, whether it is offline or online, whether it is locally or live server. Now, come with me. As you can see, I've already installed mine, but let me take you through the process. If I want to install from the WordPress point, what I do is this: I click on Add New. Remember, I already have my theme downloaded to my system. I click on Upload. I click on Browse. It takes me to the folder where I kept my theme. This is where I have my theme. All I need to do is I select them one after the other and click on Install, and it will install with ease. I won't have issues concerning that. That is one way to do it. Another way to do it, which is what I have done, is to copy the same thing, get into my folder, my installed WordPress folder, go to WP content, go to WP themes, then paste it there. When I paste the themes there, you see I pasted them there. Then I extract. For those using Windows, when you are extracting, always remember to extract into the name so that it will extract, it will extract into a folder. Make sure it is extracted into a folder. Yeah, make sure it is extracted into a folder. If you extract and it, it's a folder inside a folder, bring out the inner folder out. It should be just a single folder before the files inside. Let me show you what I mean. Are you seeing it? See the files inside. It should just be a single folder. With that, you discover it is done. And when you're through with that, let's now get back. I prefer using the child theme so I can do a lot of customization. Anything I do won't spoil my main theme. So I activate. Are you seeing it? I have just activated my theme. And at this point, what I'm requested to do is to do installation of all these plugins. And once I install them, I move to a new phase. Note there was something I told you concerning themes. I said as you make installation here will begin to change. A lot of things will begin to be added. If you check very well, you discover that something has been added here, like header has been added, install plugins has been added. Let me see if anything was added to settings. No, nothing. Okay, let's see for dashboard. Nothing, nothing of appearance. Some things were added. And if we say let's begin to install now, you discover that a lot of other things will be added. This is how you install your thing. Do you understand? We'll not continue with this. I just needed to give you that quick heads up. Don't worry, you're going to have this thing to work with. Every theme I work with in this our lecture, our lesson, you're going to have them also. At this point, let me make it clear that we're going to design an e-commerce website. We're going to design a website for a company, consultancy company, or an agency. We're going we're going to design a website for an NGO or a religious body. Okay, so e-commerce agency, straight up business, then NGO, or e-commerce, or religious body. And for each of them, we're going to be using one thing or the other. You're going to see how easy it is. We just tweak things and it works out. I want to give you the easiest way out. The easiest way out of this whole web design thing. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Before I go to the next video, let me return it to where it used to be, 2021. So I activate 2021 thing. Yeah, we're back to base. Thank you.